How to show your TikTok videos to viewers 18 and above. Hey everybody and welcome back. To show that in your video on TikTok, you may follow up these steps and you should be able to do it. Open up TikTok for that. And once you access the TikTok application, you can look out for your profile, usually in the bottom right corner, and go ahead and tap on it. So tap on this profile option in the bottom right corner and access your profile right there. And then once you access your profile of your TikTok, you need to go ahead and look out for the menu option, usually in the top right corner, and tap on it. Now, once you've tapped on it, you need to select the option of settings and privacy from here. So tap on settings and privacy. And once you tap on settings and privacy, you just need to look out for the option for audience controls. So you can scroll down, go to content and display section, and there you'll be finding option for audience controls. So tap on that option right there. And then once you go ahead and tap on it, you will be finding option of age 18 and older settings. So what you need to do is basically go ahead and turn this option on right here, and it will limit your profile, your future videos and your live streams to those aged 18 and older. They won't be able to see the change for this individual content. So you just need to turn this option on, and it will make it more compress comprehensive for consistently showing the 18 plus content on your profile. And that is how you enable the settings available right here. So you can just go and follow this process. You can even follow the same process for a single video while posting it, and you should be able to make your content only available to viewers 18 and above. So we hope this video was helpful. If it was, do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.